Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to use trim entities in a sketch. So let's first select a plane, say top plane. Sketch. And draw a geometry using lines. Now, you can see two options. Trim entities and extend entities. Select Trim Entities. You can see, there are 5 different options. Power Trim, Corner, Trim Away Inside, Trim Away Outside, and Trim to Closest. We use Power Trim to quickly clean any geometry. Press the left-click button, and drag the mouse. When you release the button, it is clear. Repeat. Let's undo and select Trim Entities and Power Trim again. This time, make a bigger curve to eliminate both edges together. Now let's see the second option, Corner. Select it, and choose the 2 lines. This option cleans the lines extending from the corner and creates a closed curve. Let's create another geometry. Now we will go to Trim Entities and choose Trim Away Inside. Select the 2 boundary lines and then the line you want to trim. This option will clear the part of geometry surrounded by the boundary line. Select another line, and it will trim this one also. So this was the third option. Now we will look at the fourth option. Again we will go to Trim Entities and choose Trim Away Outside. Again we will select the boundary lines first and then the line to trim. But this time, it will clear the geometry outside the boundary lines. Now we will see the fifth option. Again we will go to Trim Entities and choose Trim to Closest. This is also a very easy option to clean a geometry. Just click on any line and it will clear the part up to the closest obstruction. Keep clicking on the lines to clear. Next, we will see how to use Extend Entities. This command can be used when we want to extend a geometry up to a certain distance. Click the portion you wish to extend. Make sure there is an obstruction ahead of it, otherwise, this command will not work. So this is how we can extend lines in a sketch. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.